Talking like a hoe, tell that bitch nigga speak up. Hard to hear at first, I couldn't understand what you was saying. And these bitch bound to get hurt, cause a lot of these niggas be playing. And I fuck with shawty on the low, and I know she know I'm the man.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is keandreajac. If you're new, what it do? If you're not, then what's happening? Y'all can see by the title, today we are doing a maintenance vlog. And the reason why I say today is because I have to get all of this done today. I am going to get everything done today. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So first things first, let's make a list. Right now it's 9:39. I have a wax appointment at 11. So I need to stop at Walmart first, which is where I am now. Then I need to go to the beauty supply store because I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair tonight. Well, before I go to work, I may do my hair, just depending on how time is looking. This is day 2 with this wash and go. I could really go for another day with this wash and go, just depending on how time is looking. So I'm gonna still just go to the beauty supply and pick up some stuff to do my hair. At 12 I have a nail appointment. I'm gonna get my nails and toes done at 12. That'll be it. I wanted to get a refill on my lashes, but my lash girl is out of town, so I look crazy. But it's okay. We're gonna brush them out and we're gonna look back to normal. We really are pushing for time, so I don't know if I'm gonna record in Walmart because it's really like a quick trip. It actually doesn't look that bad. I don't know. I may wear it like this tonight. We'll see. All right, y'all. Oh, I'm looking a little crazy, but I just made it to my wax appointment. I'm gonna try to record in there, which I might be sitting like on my chest because I get my underarms and my bikini, my Brazilian done at the same time. But she told me to come at 11:20. It's 11:25 now. I'm just waiting for her to let me know when to come up. So I know for a fact I'm gonna be late to my nail appointment, but I'm gonna just walk in and wait for him because I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair for real, y'all. I have to be to work at 5 today. Let me double check. Oh yeah, I have to be to work at 5 today. We shall see if I make it on time. I might go in at 6. They probably wouldn't even know. Oh, hell no.
I need you around me, ride every day. Gotta watch the sign, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
But want my Christmas mask. I want to. Yeah. You didn't even know you had a Christmas mask on or what? I'm gonna bring my tripod next time then. Bring what? I'm gonna bring my tripod next time then. Yeah. I was not taking the elevator. Alright, y'all, my wax is done. Take this mask off. Now I need to hurry up and get to my nail shop. What time is it? Oh my gosh, 12:07. Gonna wait for him, so it doesn't matter. So it's looking like if I'm waiting for him, then I won't do my hair. I'm just gonna put a little oil on because the hairstyle I want to do is a quick weave, and it takes about like 45 minutes to do that hairstyle. I'll probably do it Sunday because I work all week and I want to get braids, so I'll probably get braids like next week. I don't know what day, but I know I'm gonna get braids for sure, so it doesn't make sense for me to like, I really want to blow out, but y'all, it's so hot. I feel like a brand new woman. She said I can start bringing my tripod in there. I always have my arms up and, you know, I'm gonna hold the camera, but I'm gonna start bringing my tripod in there so y'all can see my waxes, which is the same thing every time. Like, waxes don't hurt for me anymore. I'm not gonna lie, I shower before I go. I shower like an hour before I go, and I exfoliate before I go. And then I take me a BC powder. I shower, exfoliate, and then I head to my appointment. And that honestly has worked for me. That's worked for me though. I'm just giving y'all my tips. Y'all, let's go, cause I need to get over there and get these nails done, these eyebrows done, these whiskers waxed. Don't stop till you get enough.
Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking
yeah, it's a little hot. Okay, turn up my feet boiling like some hot dogs.
Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. I trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva.
missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chilling, but I send it hit when I chill my trip. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a shred and I caught up. They call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave them 4 burgers and 1 sports starter. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, keep my friends on my mind.
Alright y'all, here's my nails. They are lime green and really short. Really short, and I love them. Here's my toes. Here's my toes for the free. Yes, for the free. They're really bright, so I don't know if y'all can see them. So now I'm about to go home. I don't know if the air is too loud, but I'm about to go home and get ready for work. I won't do my hair because I don't have time for that. But like I said, I do plan on getting braid. Maybe like Monday or Tuesday of next week. I don't know. But I don't know if I want to put it in this vlog. I probably won't. So I probably will do my hair, but I probably won't put it in this vlog. I don't know. I'll probably do my hair tomorrow. How about that? I'll do my hair tomorrow. But I'm gonna get ready for work. Go home, get ready for work, and then I'll do my hair tomorrow for y'all for work. Then that'll be my hair for the week. Yeah, that's the plan. Cause I think I'm gonna wear it like this tonight. Put a little oil, a little edge control, call it a day. Cause it doesn't look too bad actually. So. Hey y'all, so today is a new day and as y'all can see I'm about to do my hair. I'm gonna attempt to do a half up, half down quick weave. I have my bundles right here. They smell so good because I washed them some days ago. I got everything from the beauty supply. If I'm oily, that's because when she did my whiskers yesterday, she freaking burnt me. Can y'all see? She burnt me. And this is that time of the month is coming, so. But we're gonna put a little concealer to fix all of that. But anyway, yeah, so I'm about to blow dry my hair so I can get started. And like I said, I got everything in here. I'm gonna take my rings off first because yeah, I hate when my rings are in the way. So I just got out of the shower because I have work tonight, so I gotta pushing for time, y'all. We are pushing for time. What time is it? It's 1:53. I have to be to work at 4. So really all I have to do is do my hair and makeup. I've been looking at so many TikToks and so many YouTube videos, and it's only been taking the girls like 30 minutes to do half up, half down. I really should keep like, I should keep it like right here. I kind of want my ponytails to sit like this, but I don't know because I kind of want it to be in a bag. I could use this foundation, but I gotta braid the back. So I'm gonna let my mom do it. I'm gonna blow dry this out, get braided down, and then I'm gonna come back, okay? Because it's not a tutorial. If y'all want a tutorial, I'll give y'all a tutorial if this comes out cute, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm done. I'm looking crazy. I'm done braiding. So my mom, all she did was she said that my foundation was good. I already had half up, half down, so all she did was fix the part at the back. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all. I'm braiding the ends of my braids now, so I did the best of my ability to braid. I did 4 braids. They're not perfect, but like I said, let me see, I did the best of my ability, and they didn't really need to be perfect. I've been seeing the TikTok girls and they braids don't be perfect. Braiding all the way down. I didn't even blow dry my hair all the way out because I feel like I didn't need to. As y'all can see, it's still curly at the ends, so I didn't really, you know, blow dry my hair all the way out. Then I had product from days ago, like curly products, so I already know it wasn't gonna get like super duper straight when I blowed it out, but that's okay. That's okay. But I did just want to come and show y'all how far I've gotten. It's 2:30 right now, so hopefully I can hurry up. I mean, I know I'm not gonna get there at 4, but I can at least push for 4:35, you know. Why not just let them know, hey, I'm running a few minutes late, a lot of minutes late, but I feel like they'll be understanding. I love having short nails, y'all. I went super duper short this time. I said short, please. Like, I don't know, it's just so much easier, and I feel like they last longer. And like if they grow out, it's not even that bad. You can't really tell unless you like all up on you, like unless somebody like all up on you. So I guess I was just supposed to put these all up like this and put the cap on, I guess. I don't know how to sew, so I'm guessing that's what I do. Or I can bobby pin them. What should I do? Should I bobby pin them or just put the cap on? Hold on, let me see. I think I'm gonna just put the cap on, y'all. Let me put a little oil. You know, I got my yellow oil, and I'm gonna just put it at the back. This little mirror hack is so smart. Oop. Just gonna drop some above each braid and on my back side. Good morning. So y'all can see I did not finish my hair. I took it out. Number one, I was rushing, so I didn't like how it was coming out, but I feel like if I really took my time and really put effort into it, it would have came out really cute. But I was rushing, so I just took it off, y'all. In no time I booked me an appointment to get my hair braided, so that's where I am right now. I'm waiting to get my hair braided. Now y'all know I'm not gonna record getting my hair done simply because this is a new person. If you're new to my channel, you don't know how I run things, but every time I go to someone new, whether it's my hair, nail, lashes, I haven't been to nobody that did my lashes. Like I've been going to the same girl for 2 years. Nobody really been touching my lashes. But anywho, y'all know when I go somewhere new places, I don't really record, especially when I'm getting my hair done, because I don't know people's intentions. I typically add, but this girl, I feel like I already know her intentions. Like let me tell you. So my appointment was at 9 a.m. Communicating through DMs last night. I had texted her like earlier in the day before, like literally before I went to work. I texted her and I was like, hey, do you have any openings for tomorrow? Which is Monday today. Do you have any openings tomorrow for medium knotless? And then she responded. She was like, yes, I do. 10 a.m. available for tomorrow knotless. Cool. I asked her, was the hair included, and you know, all of that stuff. And she was like, no, but this type of hair, yada yada yada. I had liked the message. Now I wasn't gonna book for today only because if I had to get my own hair and you want me to be there at 10 a.m. the beauty supply store doesn't open until like 9 or 10. Like they don't open, so I didn't respond. But I was gonna book with her for Tuesday, which is tomorrow, because that would have been better for me and her, I guess. I didn't respond. I just liked the message. A couple of hours later, she DM'd me again. She said, hey, were you still looking to come tomorrow morning? And I was like, I'm just gonna book for Tuesday because like I said, I have to get the hair. She was like, no, that's fine. Tuesday I have somebody at 8 a.m. or something like that. She's like, you can still come tomorrow, I'll provide the hair. And I was like, okay, great. So she was like, just come tomorrow at 9 a.m. I said, cool. So I went ahead and paid my deposit. She sent me a confirmation text. Cool. Now the confirmation text did say something about reply back with the length that you want to confirm your appointment. Now in the DMs, I did tell her what length I wanted, and I sent the deposit. I mean, I'm coming, but I guess I didn't respond to the confirmation text. I responded to it, but I responded to it like at 5 a.m. or something like that. When I responded to that, I noticed that the address was an hour away, and I'm like, which I don't mind. Like if I'm paying for good service and good quality, I'm gonna travel wherever. I don't care. Like that part doesn't bother me. I'm gonna pay whatever, and I'm gonna travel whatever for what I want. If I want something done right and I want it to look nice, I'm gonna pay whatever and I'm going to go wherever. And that's just period, point blank. This morning I got up like around 5:30 because my hair was still dirty. I got up, washed my hair, blow dried, made me some breakfast, all that good stuff. So by the time I got done doing all of that, it was like 6:30, 6:45ish. So I laid in bed until like 7:15 because like I said, it was an hour away. So I got done pretty early. I laid in bed till about 7:15, then I realized I had to go to the bank and get cash out. I left the house, went and got cash, made my way here. When I got here, it was like 8:30. So I arrived like 30 minutes early, which I didn't know that I was gonna arrive early, but you know, I'd rather be early than late or whatever. I've just been waiting or whatever, because in the text it said don't arrive no more than 5 minutes early or something like that. So I was like, I'll just text her at 9 o'clock then and let her know on my side. Texted her actually at 9:03 via DM, and I said, hey, I'm out front, I'm here parked out front. I said, hey, good morning, I'm here parked out front. No response. Sitting here waiting, you know, waiting. 9:15 roll around. I texted the number that she sent the confirmation. I was like, hey, I just messaged you via DM. I just wanted to make sure that my appointment was not canceled because I did, you know, message you about 12 minutes ago. No response. So about 9:27, she finally responded and was like, hey, I didn't know that you were still coming. Let me set my station back up and I'll let you know when I'm ready for you. And I'm just like, I don't know, so many things was going through my head, but I try not to, you know, think negatively. So I was just like, okay, sounds good, with thumbs up. But let me tell you what the thing that's going through my head. Like I prayed, like whenever she sent me that, I prayed because I was like, let me just pray before I spaz out, because number one, I drove an hour away. Number two, I don't usually try new people, especially when it comes to braids. I always go to my Africans. Like y'all know, if y'all new here or my OGs, y'all know I always go to the Africans because they never do me wrong. They never put me in situations like this. So I should have listened to my first mind, just went to them. But I was like, no, let me just give her the benefit of the doubt because I really like her work and it's really neat. Not saying that the Africans work don't be neat, but I just wanted to try something new, something different. And you know, she's way further out than the Africans are. So I just feel like, honestly feel like she was asleep and she just now woke up. That's what was going through my head, but it's okay because I'm not leaving. I drove an hour away. you're doing my hair today. And y'all, I work every single day of this week: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm not off until next Monday. That being said, you're doing my hair. I just don't have time to keep doing my own hair. I have to give me some outlets. Like, I have to get ready for work 2 hours prior to take a shower, do my hair, do my makeup, eat, and drive to work. Hopefully with my hair being done and my lashes being done, that cuts some time down. So I just have to do my makeup, take a shower, eat, go to work. I will probably talk to y'all when I'm done, because right now it's 9:45, so I'm getting a little, yeah. I'll just talk to y'all when I'm done, because I'm not recording there. I don't have my tripod. So hey y'all, so it is later in the day and my hair is done. As y'all can see, I'm absolutely in love and they're so long. I'm gonna pick my camera up so y'all can see. I'm gonna put it back here. Can y'all see how long they are? Like really long. Like, and I'm so in love. She did really good, y'all. She did take money off for the inconvenience, and I was so surprised, because y'all know most people, they be late or whatever and they still, you know, won't accommodate. But no, she accommodated me or whatever. She took money off and I absolutely love them. But that is the end of this maintenance vlog. I got my wax, nails and toes done, my eyebrows done, whiskers waxed, I got my hair done. What else did I do? That's it. And it was very much needed. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog. Pick y'all up. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog, watching me, you know, maintain. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.